Hello everyone, and as I said last time, I want to show you a few classic real-time strategy games and another classic game you can play on your PSP. This is actually games originally made for PS1. The first game I'm revealing is a real-time strategy game called Warcraft II. Yeah, actually the first time I played the game was back in the days, and I used my PS1 to do to do so. Okay, let's see. It's not very convenient, but believe me, if you have time to kill, I think this one might be one of the best games to do so. Yes, basically. Okay, let's see how it was working here. It takes a little bit of a while until you get used to it. Okay, this is the base, I guess. Alright, when you click here, then you can make another worker. Up, training is in progress. No, I don't want to cancel. Please, up, ready to work. There you go. Okay, you're gonna go for trees. And then I'm gonna use my soldiers to have a look around. The map, that's a good question. Can I see the map? Nope, this is, you can see how many units you have. Oh, I think I just... Alright, so this is basically Warcraft II. As you see, it's a classic strategy game. Oh, kill him. Alright, done. This is one of the first missions, so I don't think it's gonna be a lot of enemies. Another, yep, enemy. There is some small. Alright, lost one of my soldiers. Basically, this is Warcraft 2, as you said. I don't know what is my objectives. Oh, how I can. Let's make more workers. And let's see. You cannot like click twice on the unit, but you still can grab a few units in once, which is good because I remember back in the times I used to play Dune 2 on Sega Dreamcast. No, on Sega Mega Drive, and see if this fellow can build something. Come here. Okay, move, full, attack, harvest, repair, build basic. Okay, build a farm, build barracks, build a great hall. Alright, I think build barracks is gonna be our objective, so we're gonna place it, build it right here. And then I'm gonna make another worker here. This is one of the games I wanted to show you. There is also another real-time strategy game I have in my mind today, and this is Dune 2000. This is well real-time strategy, so I'm gonna move on it a little bit until my barracks is done. It's building up down. It's not the best graphics games, but still. Alright, what do we have here? This is was a little bit okay. You can still it's a little bit of hassle. Oh yeah, this is what I did last time. Last time, by an accident, I sold my command center, and then I've lost the mission. But believe me, it's not the best. How to say? It's not really easy to play with these controls. You know, like it's easier when you have a mouse. But it's still like an option. Let's say if you're traveling somewhere, if you like real-time strategies games, of course it will take forever. Maybe you need a spare battery as well. Just careful, because as I said, when you click here, if you press on this one now, you're gonna sell your command center. So let me avoid this from happening. And oh no, okay, one more. That's right. I wanted to build something else, but no problem. I'm gonna put it like here. I think here you as well you cannot really click twice on the unit and then catch the same unit. Nope, you're not able to do it. So basically this is Dune 2000s, a real-time strategy game you can play on your PSP. I hope. Alright, barracks. If you're interested, you might be able to find this game, downloaded it, and as long as you have the right PSP model, I mean, of course, need to be like a jailbreak one. You're gonna be able to play this game. It's a real strategy game. Let's see, maybe. Okay, there is no one here. I don't know if there's gonna be enemy base here on this one, or it's gonna be just. Okay, there is an enemy already. Dune 2000s, everyone. On PSP. It's a real strategy game. Real-time strategy. Okay, I think maybe on this one there is still no an enemy's base. The controls are not the best, but oh, okay. There's something really interesting. If you don't have a concrete under it like here, then you need to straight away start repairing your building, as the foundation won't be stable. Anyway, I'm gonna stop this one for a moment, as this was not the main purpose to complete the whole mission. Here we have yep. Let's see what we can build here. Yes, of course. Not enough food, build more farms. So right, okay, I'm gonna stop here, everyone, as otherwise this is a strategy game and it can go forever. I'm actually going to quit game. This is on PSP 1000. Actually, I'm running this one, which is not a problem. Actually, which model do you have? Anyway, I don't think you're gonna feel any differences like in the gameplay. As you said, there might be a slight difference between the different console screens, and this is the last game I wanted to show you. This is Diablo 1. It's a classic game you can play, and then let's go together. Just to let you know, the loading times are quite long, and then you might feel a little bit, how to say, not really happy when you need to wait. Okay, I'm just the other one canceling. All right. Anyway, as I said, let me just give him more. Basically, this is the old Diablo 1 game. Alright, this is how you can see the map. It's basically an inventory. Okay, I don't have enough. A lot of stuff. I used to play it for a while actually. And then at some point I got tired. Oh, I drink something. This is a firewall. I think now I kind of trapped myself. Basically with the L and R buttons you're actually taking mana and that's what happens when you're passing by the firewall. Okay. So the enemies. So you see Diablo 1, the colors are not the best. You can basically, and then we're gonna burn in the time. It's Diablo 1 as well, a game you can play. Anyway, as you said, I'm not gonna play this game now as it's gonna be a lot of time consuming. This is what I wanted to show you, these classic games you can play on your PSP. Just to let you know, playing Diablo 1 on your PSP, as long as you're, let's say if you're traveling, if you have this game, it will be really interesting, how to say, it's a very nice game if you like RPG games, if you like Diablo, if you like Blizzard, I really recommend it to you. It's a lot of time consuming, let's say if you're on a long flight or yeah, you just need to kill some time, you have your PSP in the pocket. Diablo is probably the best game to kill time. There is some other games you can kill time like Gran Turismo, but I'm not gonna stop on these games now as I just wanted to stop on different types of games this time. And as you said, there are plenty of options you can play different games on PSP. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time.